I am really curious to observe the Kerala elections as to who is fighting whom. Because Congress and CPM are alliance in West Bengal. And they are partners in Lok Sabha. They are partners everywhere. And only in Kerala they are fighting. It's a mock fight. It's a mock fight. They are voting together. Their parliament cooperation is everybody to see. बंगाल में दोस्ती, केरल में कुश्ती. So alliance in West Bengal, fight in Kerala. They voted in Kerala Assembly on two resolutions unitedly. Release of terrorists charged Madani. They voted together. CAA, they voted together. And still they are now saying they are fighting against each other. It is the worst kind of hypocrisy Kerala is witnessing. And therefore, our first appeal to voter is, remember that vote for CPM is vote for Congress, or vote for Congress is vote for CPM. So this is the state of affairs of Kerala politics. What the government has to answer, two questions I am raising today. Sabrimala, there stands completely exposed, while Pinarayi and Yechuri say that they are in favor of entry. Their candidate Katak Surendran says that no, they are not. Clarify where you stand. You are for entry or against entry? Cases are not still withdrawn. Bindu Amoni and Rehna Fatima, those who entered into the temple with police protection, are campaigning for CPM. So on Sabrimala, they stand completely exposed. In gold smuggling case, that's the second point. In gold smuggling case, it's not just CMO's involvement. It is the CM's involvement. The principal accused has named CM and Speaker, and the State Secretary's family has received gifts. That's also all on record.